Okay, so here's the Fractal R5 case that I chose to use for this computer build here. Really nice case, actually. I got it for half price. Got it for, I believe, 69 or 79 bucks. Pre-Christmas sale last year. Really like the design. There's a tray on the bottom of a filter tray that slides out. I believe I showed that yesterday. Under here, dust, really easy to clean. Same as this front one right here. This pops out as well. See, you can get at the fans if you want to swap fans out or whatever. That's nice. Nice clean look. It's got the vents on the side here for airflow on both sides. Pretty generous airflow, I would presume. I don't know. We'll have to see how that goes, but I like the clean front. And we got the top panel here. Power button, audio jacks, USB 2 and 3. Got this option on the top, 3 panels that pop off for additional fans or water cooling options. It's also modular. I've removed all the drive bays because I essentially don't need them. They pop out really easily. They can be configured. It's a 2-part modular system. You can see the drive bays here. They pop out as well. I just haven't removed them yet. I probably